tuulebki meie poole on teel. Veel üks nädal, veel üks päev ja lõpuks ainult tunnike veel. Ammu juba õues õhtuti maad ma kuulamas käin. Läinud talvel tema tööga ma üliväga rahule jäin.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city.
Don't want you to lead me to the dark. Don't need you to tear my heart apart. Don't do that. The people say that you're my enemy. I know you can set me free. Don't want you to come so close to me. Don't need you to blow my fantasy. But I know that you are living far beyond those lies. I can see the danger rise in your eyes. Cool vibes, why don't you kill me? Cool vibes, why don't you turn your eyes away? Can't you see we're free to die? Cool vibes, all we can do is fight and pray.
Ja käes ongi jõulud ning äkki näen ma, on ehtida jõudnud end taevas ja maa. Ja jõudsidki jõulud ning lõppevad aated ja kiidavad laulud taas pühade ööl.
Jõulusid soovin ja õnnestan näen, las täituvad soovid, las armastus jääb.
You remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley. You forget the sun in his jealous sky as we walk in fields of gold. So she took her love for to gaze a while upon the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as her hair came down among the fields of gold. Among the fields of gold.
Does he love me? I wanna know. How can I tell if he loves me so?
Is it any
Now you